Hi, welcome. We're going to talk about how we would write an equation of a circle by completing the square and then give the center and the radius. So we're going to use this particular example to help us with this. Just as a quick reminder, this is what the generalized form of the equation of a circle would look like. We've got x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to the radius squared. And so you recall from when we did completing the square before that we know what that process looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my equation here. I'm going to write x squared minus 6x plus, and I'm just going to clear out some space here because that's going to give me space to complete the square. And then I'm going to put plus y squared. So we're going to do this twice. Y squared plus 4y plus blank. And that's going to also help us with the completing the square on the other side. And then I've got 36. And then just to help me remember, I'm going to put plus blank for the one side here, and then plus blank for the other side here. And it's just to help us remember that whatever I add to one side, I need to add to the other side to keep my equation balanced. So then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say, okay, well, I got negative 6. So I take negative 6 divided by 2 gives me negative 3. And then I'm going to take that negative 3 and square it, and I would get positive 9. And so positive 9 is I'm going to add here, but I need to add it over here as well. And then along the same lines, I'm going to go over here with the 4y. I'm going to take 4 and divide it by 2, which gives me 2. And then I'm going to take that 2 and square it and give me 4. So that's 4 that I'm going to add here and also over here. And I mean, at this point, I'm going to use, I used the 9 here and also here. And I used this 4 here, but then I also added it to the other side. Well, now I'm going to take and I'm going to use this minus 3 and this 2. And I'm going to use that to put these in factored form in both of these instances. And so here, this is going to give me x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to, and then I'm going to add all of these up. Let's see, 36 plus 9 would be 45, and 45 plus 4 would be 49. All of those add up to 49. And that's it. That's our equation. We just need to analyze it then and figure out where, just to make sure that we understood here, this minus 3 came from right here, this minus 3, and then this plus 2 came from this plus 2 right here. Now, now that we've got that, we're going to use that same values that our center is at the point, and here it's x minus h, and so this is positive 3, and y minus k, but since this is plus 2, it's y minus negative 2, y minus negative 2, and so the y value of the center is negative 2. And then our radius, so I think what this end part represents r squared. So if you want, you can even just say, hey, r squared is equal to 49. So take the square root of both sides, and we're only considering the positive value. Normally we would put plus or minus here, but we're only considering the positive value because a radius is a distance, and distances are always non-negative. So r then is equal to 7, and so our radius is 7. And here is our equation, and that's our center and our radius. Thank you.